Welcome to part 95 of Learn Languages. Today we're working on stress and intonation. This is what makes your English sound natural or robotic. Let's start with word stress. In English, every multi-syllable word has one stressed syllable. This syllable is longer, louder, and higher. Photograph. The stress is on the first syllable. Photography. The stress shifts to the second syllable. Photographic. The stress shifts again. Same root word, different stress. Let's look at more examples. Present, a gift. Present, to show or introduce. Record, a noun. Record, a verb. Permit, a noun. Permit, a verb. Many nouns and verbs share spelling but have different stress. Now, sentence stress. In English, content words are stressed, nouns, verbs, adjectives. Function words are usually unstressed, a, the, of, to. She bought a new car yesterday. Bought, new, and car carry the stress. Now, intonation. Your voice goes up at the end of a yes-no question. Are you coming? Voice rises. Your voice goes down at the end of a statement. I'm going home. Voice falls. In a list, your voice rises on each item, then falls on the last. I need milk, eggs, bread, and butter. Stress and intonation carry meaning. Practice them, and people will understand you better. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.